bullet journal with me for April 30th, and it was actually another 5-star day. And for the health log, I was well again. And I'd rate my anxiety as low. This was again just because I was going to like a big party thing and I was just having those like pre-event nerves. And once again, I don't remember my dream. Moving on to the April trackers, starting off on habits. I just realised I said it was the 30th at the start of the video. I meant the 29th, of course. Anyway, I did manage to get my water in despite drinking all day. Had some exercise and I did moisturise as well. I managed to do 19,500 steps. What the hell? I just checked my Fitbit now and I was like, damn, I'm kind of shook by that. I guess I'm not too surprised because I was out like basically all day. And I slept from midnight till 10:30. I really needed to catch up on some sleep, so I'm so glad I did that before going out drinking. And finally, the highlight of the day was, it was my friend's like 30th birthday party. It was so much fun. Like I was just out with friends all day. I'm kind of paying for it today. We ended up on Canal Street, which is like the gay area in Manchester. So that was really fun. Okay, that is everything for today. I will see you guys tomorrow.